Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics. Excited to introduce our universal stage series backup kit utilizing our flush mount bezels. We offer this kit in our flood optic in either your choice of SSC2s or SSC1s, designed to be mounted flush on your rear bumper. Not only will these give you a huge increase in light output behind the vehicle, but unlike comparable options on the market, these will also give you the added feature of a red backlight. This kit utilizes our three-way switch to not only allow you to control the lights manually, but also gives you the option to control your lights using your factory signals, giving you an extra red running light and automatically switches to the main beam when you put the car in reverse. If you're looking to pick up a stage series backup kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.